I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now search and select HubSpot. To get HubSpot Access Token, please go to your HubSpot account. Go to Settings. Click on Integrations. Click Private Apps. Click on Create a Private App. Give a name of your app. Go to Scope. Click on CRM. Give all these permissions. Click on Create App. Click on Continue Creating. Click on Show Token, then copy. Go to Bit Integrations Dashboard and paste it here. Click on Authorize. Successfully authorize. Click on Next. Select an action. Now map the respected fields. Here are some advanced features. If you want, you can use them. Click on Next. Click on Finish and Save. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Let's check our HubSpot account. As you can see, a contact has been created to HubSpot. Thanks for watching.